Hey, and welcome back to my channel. So at least once per week, I'm going to be doing a segment called Yes, It's Vegan. So comment below with your favorite recipes, any suggestions that you have, and I'm going to convert them over to vegan just to show you that there is a healthier alternative to your favorite foods and you'll still enjoy them as a family. So be sure to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks. Hi, thanks for joining me. Today we're going to be making a $1,000,000 pie by request from Dennis. It's my first recipe tutorial. So of course we're going to make the vegan version, and the recipe calls for 14 ounces of condensed milk. It's usually 1 can. However, I have the vegan version, which is made by Let's Do Organic. It's made with coconut milk, so it is condensed milk. I have 2 cans since the regular cans are usually larger. I have 2 cans of that. Lemon juice, I just had this already to squeeze this lemon juice concentrate. You can use real lemons and squeeze it. You only need 2 tablespoons full. Crushed pineapples. I really try my best not to buy canned goods, so what I'm going to do is just blend this up crush this in the blender, and you need 8-ounce can, no, 2 8-ounce cans of crushed pineapple. So I'm just going to crush this whole bag up, and if I have extra, I'll use it for my smoothie in the morning. So nothing's left behind. You need about a cup of pecans. I got these smaller bags because they only had these smaller, then it went up to a really large bag, which was like $10 a bag. So I got these 2 small bags. I think should make about a cup, and you need a little for decoration on top. I got coconut, which is unsweetened coconut, real coconut. Nothing's in the package. I know a lot of people try to shame me and say, oh, a lot of vegan food is processed food, but it's nothing in here besides the coconut, as you can see. And the recipe will be listed below, but you need about a cup of coconut. Maraschino cherries, this is just for decoration. You can use them or not. And the pie crust, I did get a vegan pie crust. It's gluten-free, dairy-free, peanut-free. It says My Dale across the top, so you'll know this is or you can make it on your own. I'm like a semi-homemade type of girl, so I try to find what I can. And that's all the ingredients. The first step is to join the condensed milk and the lemon juice in the bowl, and you're going to let that sit for about 5 minutes before you add all the other ingredients. I already rinsed off my cans. Again, I try my best not to use canned goods, but in this instance we have to. I see it's a little separated, so I'm going to mix it up in the can. It was a little separated. Yeah, it says shake well before using. I didn't read the directions, so I'm mixing it with the spoon. I'll make sure I shake the other. Smells like coconut. Smells pretty good. I got this from Whole Foods, but when I went to Meijer, I saw that they did have some as well, but I wasn't certain, and I didn't want to be running back and forth at the store. So, but they did have them at Meijer, so I'm going to shake this one up good before I open it. And those of you that cooked before, you know the usual condensed milk is a lot thicker. So yeah, then that's a good consistency now, without me having to do anything. you know, the vegan options may not taste exactly the same, but and not that this is a healthy recipe, but it's a healthier choice that you can make. I'm just gonna eyeball 2 tablespoons for. You can measure it. Again, the recipe will be down below. We're gonna mix this up. Mix this. And we're gonna let this sit 5 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, we are back and we are going to crush the pineapples, and I measured it out to 16 ounces. 16 ounces of pineapples. By the way, this will make 2 pies, so you can cut it in half if you like. And I'm gonna do the pecans. I'm gonna mix 1 bag and see how much that is. I think 1 bag is good for me. You can, you know, recipes, you can really just make it how you like. And that's how much I have. It says about a cup of coconut. I'm just gonna eyeball it again. 1 cup. It's still relatively loose. You're gonna add the 2 containers of whipped cream. I hurt my finger, so everything I'm opening, it seems like a struggle. They do have vegan, regular vegan whipped cream. I got the light whipped cream. And you're gonna fold this in, not stir it, but just fold it in. Try to keep it kind of light and airy. You don't want to stir it fast. Just want to fold it in. And I'm gonna do the other container. I just have a garbage bowl over here to the side so I can keep all the garbage together. Again, you're gonna fold it in. Just until it looks mixed well. You can see some of the other batter from the bottom coming up. And we're going to pour it in our pie. I'm sure most of you know, if you bake or cook, if you buy the pre-made graham cracker shells, you're going to use this as your top. So once you pour your pie in here, you put this as the top. And I'm just going to show you one. I'm just going to put one in here. Just going to fill it. And there we have it. And you have to let it chill for at least 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours. What you can do is, what I'm going to do is toast some coconut on a cookie sheet, as well as this rest of this bag of pecans. I'm going to mix that up and use that to sprinkle on top. I'll be back to show you how that works. I did was chill it for 3 hours, sprinkled some toasted coconut and pecans on the top, and some cherries for a garnish, like I said. And there we have it. If you make it for your family, let me know how you liked it, and enjoy. Welcome to my channel. We'll be discussing current events. I'll be offering healthy recipes and tips on how to be a baddie on a budget. Please like, subscribe, and be sure to share.